If you just took like one day of just tickets for one job, I'm probably getting 6 different tickets, call it for, 3 different scope items. It would probably take me 15 minutes to just do one scope. With Clearstory, it takes me like 30 seconds now. I'm Alex Barger. I'm a senior project engineer for Castle in the St. Louis office.
And I'm Alex Fazy. I'm a senior project engineer in the St. Louis Castle office.
Before Clearstory, we were doing all paper tickets. They were hard to keep track of. They would get lost. It just was like a whole nother kind of ball game when it came to filing. Usually when we were on paper tickets, guys were doing their time cards twice, so they would miss things. It wasn't always transferring over properly.
Before Clearstory, we had same deal paper tickets. Guys in the field are working on filling those out and then hoping to get them to us whenever that sort of connection happens between the two of us. Being on the heavy civil side, a lot of our change order work is day of stuff. It can take a day, 2 days, definitely a significant amount of time.
Definitely a lot of double entry, a lot of time. That was 2 or 3 days of my week. One of the things that I like about Clearstory, that kind of our old process, was just being able to see when they view the tickets.
Wow, this is going to streamline this process so much easier. We're going to get rid of all these paper tickets. We're finally going to be able to organize everything into one process. One thing that I really like about Clearstory is it allows the clients to kind of view our log of change orders, which has been super helpful for me. It's really nice for them to get a big snapshot of, okay, this is everything we have on this job. We know what's been approved, what's under review, what we need to have more conversation about. It's been really good for the relationship between the clients. The nice part about Clearstory is the team can tailor it to whatever job. It's a click of a button. It's not time-consuming hassle, and they can just get it to the correct job. That way it's all organized for me to go through job by job basis and figure out what's going on. The team just kind of are adopting it right away. I think they see the ease of it. It makes their life easier because they also don't have to worry about losing tickets or keeping track of all this. They can get it done, send it off, and take it off of their hands.
When we implemented it, really no pushback. It was super simple and easy, and something that the folks caught on to very, very quick. It's been great. We've had 0 issues. All the material transfers over, time, equipment have had no issues. And it's really been even, I will call it an extra step of streamline.
It's nice that it can be in one spot, one time, get it done, and get it out the door and not have to worry about it. Clearstory's replaced just a lot of question asking for me, and I think it's definitely saving all parties a lot of time.
It's nice with the log being able to run different reports, see how much at risk we have out there, how many things are still in review. With this, it's a couple clicks of a button that sums all of the jobs, sums a certain market, however you want to run that report. It's very simple, very easy, but super effective.